because when you keep using the screen, it's very possible that you're gonna remain in the house, sitting down there and adding weight, eating everything. So I don't want to add weight. I want to keep this shape. We want to keep this shape, this summer body. It shouldn't just be for summer. It should be all season body. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and how are you guys doing? My name is Agege and I'm a YouTuber in Halifax, Nova Scotia. If today is the first time of seeing my face, thank you for clicking on this video. I do really appreciate you. And to my returning subscribers, thank you all. Thank you for your constant love and support. I appreciate you all. So guys, it's finally summer. I'm really excited about this, guys. After all we've been through a lot. So, and I'm so excited about this, and I'm hoping we all as a mother are going to enjoy this, and that's why I've come up with 5 tips for us to enjoy this, to make the best out of this summer. Because if we're not careful, we're just going to be busy all over the place, and at the end you'll be surprised it's fall already, it's winter already, and you'll be like, oh my god, I didn't even get to enjoy my summer. We all know that last year summer was summer, we didn't really have fun. So let's try and have fun. We deserve it. We've been through a lot. We've been working all along. So please, let's have fun. And guys, let me know what you guys are planning to do this summer. Just leave it in the comment section. So guys, let me quickly go into my 5 tips. I don't want to waste your time. So the first one is to organize yourself. Guys, we need to organize our time, we need to organize ourselves. As we all know, the kids are going to be on holiday now. That means everything is going to change. So you need to plan. Do you need to put your kids in daycare? I assume most people are working from home, so you might probably not need that, but I can't just generalize. So if of course our cases are different, so if you're not going to be working from home, then you need to get a you need to get on to stay with your kids at home or take them to daycare. So you need to start planning that. I know my video is coming a little bit, but it's never too late. I'm sure some people might benefit from this. So, and also if you need to go on a trip, if you need to go on vacation, you need to organize yourself. You need to get your you might need to get, not you might, you need to get your spouse input on this as well, and your kids too. Don't think they don't have a say. Let them be involved. Let them know when you're making these plans, so they can tell you where they want to go. That's if you guys want to travel. And also there are so many activities that can be done, so you guys can come together and decide on what you want to do. So all those activities you guys want to do, just write them down, get a calendar, put it somewhere around that everybody can see, and just plan yourself so that you're not just all over the place, and you guys will be able to enjoy this summer. So another thing is we need to stick to our routines, guys. If we do not stick to our routines, it's going to be a problem for us when the kids are going back to school. I'm guilty of this too, guys, but I'm being intentional about it this time around. Like, let's stick to our routines, guys. It's very important, and this also makes the kids have security and also be able to predict the environment. So if they stick to their routine, it's going to be easy for us when they're going back to school. So let's just not make that mistake of allowing them stay till late at night or waking up at any time. And if you don't have a routine, please do set one and try stick to it. So my next tip is to create a budget. Guys, for me, during summer I spend a lot. Like summer and Christmas time, I spend a lot, and I'm sure it's like that for everyone, because we all have kids and these kids are still growing. So this is time we need to change the dresses, you need to change our wardrobe and all of that. So you need to stick to it. You need to create a budget so that you don't overspend. And also if you're taking a trip, if you're going on vacation, all of that, it's very important so that we don't overspend. Creating a budget will guide you on your spending, and you don't get into debt because of summer. That's the least we want to do. So because reality is going to set in as soon as the summer is over. So we don't want to overspend, we just want to stay within our budget. So create one and follow through on it. So guys, my third step is to research on free activities that you don't have to spend a dime on. Guys, there are tons of activities out there that you can do with your kids, with your family, with your friends, that you don't have to spend money on. And also this is an avenue for us to go out and just not stay in the indoor. You can go to the parks, you can go to the lakes, beach and all of that. You don't have to spend anything on. So guys, research on that and also add that to your plan. So guys, the next tip is for us to try something new. restaurants and order same thing you've been eating over and over again. No, come out of your shell. You need to do something else. You need to do something new. Introduce yourself to your neighbor, make new friends, try new recipe. You know, just do something new, or that thing that you've been wanting to do in a long time that you didn't have the courage to do it. Now I'm telling you, go girl, you can do it. Do something new. And guys, the fifth tip is to limit screen time. Guys, I know everybody, almost everyone is guilty of this. I am very guilty of this too. But I'm going to be intentional about it, and that's why I'm wanting you guys to be intentional about it. We need to limit screen time, especially for the kids as well. It's not even good for their eyes. And also, this is taking our time. The time we're supposed to bond with family, with friends. It's really taking out the time. And also, I feel this is an opportunity for us to go out there, work out. Let's not just stay indoor, because when you keep using the screen, it's very possible that you're going to remain in the house, sitting down there and adding weight, eating everything. So I don't want to add weight. I want to keep this shape. We want to keep this shape, this summer body. It shouldn't just be for summer. It should be all season body. So guys, let's go out there. Let's work out. Let's not just sit down using the screen. Let's do a lot of outdoor activities during the summer, and this would also help us bond well with our family. So guys, I've come to the end of this video, and I hope these tips are going to be useful to you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and please leave a comment in the comment section. If there's any question you want to ask me, let me know. And let me know if you guys like this type of topic, and let me know if you guys like this type of sit down video, so that I can bring more to you guys. Love you all, and thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Until next time when I drop a next and exciting video. Stay blessed. Bye.